Okay, exercise 2. Same numbers, they just come in a different rhythm, or different order. And let's pick a different time signature and strum pattern. Let's do something in 6/8. Let's do number 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Five chord. Repeat. Four chord. Five chord.